The Food Service Exchange presents.
The BZ16 is designed to operate in an ambient temperature of 75 degrees at 55% humidity for proper operation. To remove the refrigeration unit for service, first remove the shipping screw at the center of the grill. Next, lift the grill upward as you pull it straight out. Notice that the grill has keyholes which fit onto the shoulder screws in the cabinet. Remove the 3/8-inch hex screw on each side of the base. Unplug the Molex polarized electrical plug from the left bottom wall of the cabinet to disconnect power to the system. Remove the Phillips head screws located just under the left and right sides of the shell bottom. Cut the sealer from the inside corners of the shell bottom. Remove the complete refrigeration system by sliding it forward. Remove the 4 Phillips head screws on the top of the shell bottom assembly. Remove the shell bottom assembly and install it onto the new system. Lift the system onto the bottom rail of the cabinet and push the system straight into the cabinet. Replace the Molex plug into the jack in the left wall of the cabinet. Replace the Phillips head screws and the 3/8-inch hex screws. Finally, reseal the corners of the shell bottom assembly with caulk.